Hey Tapswap fam, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So before that guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure guys like, share and subscribe my channel. And before that guys, join my telegram. You can see here I'm going to share like every code, hamster combat, daily code, daily mini game, Tapswap, daily code or new airdrops, like airdrops where you can mine and earn money a lot. So make sure guys join my telegram, link in the description. And you can see here guys from day 1 to till now I share every code like Tapswap every code. So make sure guys join my telegram, link in the description. Okay, let's talk about Tapswap. So first of all, you can see here first video code Bitcoin integration, and I already shared that code on my telegram. So the code was 547JL6AYUM7R, and you will get 400k token. Yes guys, you will get 400k token. And from second video I'm going to upload first of all on my telegram. After that 5 or 6 minutes I will upload on my YouTube. So make sure guys join my telegram. You will get the link in the description and join my telegram. And for second video code, then definitely I already pin in many comment section. So make sure guys check comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.